Hi everyone. In this video, let us discuss on the issue not connected, no connections are available on Windows computers. I just want to make sure in the beginning that this video is only for the computers which are facing problems connecting to the Wi-Fi network. This is not for a wired computer. This is for the Wi-Fi issue. Okay, in this video I'll provide different solutions which can be implemented to fix this problem. And if you think this video had helped you in fixing your problem, kindly like the video and subscribe to this channel. Okay, without any further delay, let's see the solutions for this problem. Okay, when you see the error not connected, no connections are available, the very first thing you have to see is whether the Wi-Fi switch on your computer is on or not. So this is the first solution for this problem. Please make sure the Wi-Fi switch on your computer is on. If the Wi-Fi switch is not on, then you would be seeing this error, not connected, no connections are available. So in order to turn on the Wi-Fi switch, it depends upon the laptop manufacturer. For few computers, for few laptops it is function plus F2. You have to press function key and F2 key at the same time. For few laptops it is Fn plus F8. For few computers it is Fn plus F12. For few computers it is just F8. So you have to find out the right keys to turn on the Wi-Fi switch on your computers. So please make sure the physical Wi-Fi switch on your laptop is turned on. An indicator light usually shows that when it is on. And also please make sure that the airplane mode is off. If it is on your computer, please make sure the airplane mode is off. Okay, the airplane mode is here. You can see it here. So please make sure if it is on, please turn off the airplane mode. Okay, and I'll just show some pictures on how to turn on the Wi-Fi switch for your laptops. So if you, for this particular picture laptop, it is the Fn and F3. So this is the combination. You have to press Fn and F3 to turn on the Wi-Fi. And if I show you the next picture, you see the antenna or Wi-Fi button here. You have to just push it to turn on the Wi-Fi. It's a HP laptop. And on few computers or on few laptops, you see the Wi-Fi switch on the side of the laptop. It is not on the actual keyboard. It is on the side. Please make sure it is on. And it's a different laptop again. If you see the Wi-Fi switch, it is on the side. Please push this slide to the other side to turn on the Wi-Fi switch. Yeah, so these are the different pictures to show how to turn on the Wi-Fi switch on your computer. And I will also provide a document here which has all the information of different manufacturers in order to turn on the Wi-Fi switch. So for, as you see on the screen, for Acer computer, it is Fn plus F5. It depends upon the model again. So please see the exact model of your laptop and follow the instructions accordingly. So if it is ASPI 3005, it is on the lower right hand side of your laptop. If it is ASPI 3500, it's on the lower right hand side of your laptop. If it is Aspire 5612, it is sliding button on the side of the laptop. So yeah, so this is for Acer. If it is Advent, Asus, so these are the instructions, and I'll move the I'll show the other laptop manufacturers as well. So this is BenQ, and you also have Dell here, and there are different keys to turn on the Wi-Fi switch. You have if you are using Fujitsu laptop, you have to follow the instructions here to turn on the Wi-Fi switch. And if you're using Hewlett Packard HP laptop, please follow the instructions on the screen to turn on the Wi-Fi switch. And you also have IBM Lenovo here. Please follow these steps to turn on the Wi-Fi switch. And you also have other computers like Philips, Samsung, Bell, Sharp, Sony, Toshiba, uh, and other manufacturers. So, and I also provided for Mac computers. Just wanted to give some information on this video. It is Yeah, you have to follow these instructions, like go to Mac hard drive, go to applications, utilities folder, set the configure pull down to airport, and make sure the airport power says on. So please follow these instructions if you are using a Mac computer. So yeah, so the first solution to fix this problem is to make sure the Wi-Fi switch is on. If you have already turned on the Wi-Fi switch and you are sure that Wi-Fi is on, then we can go to the next solution, which is turning on the wireless network connection. So on your computers, if the Wi-Fi network connection is turned off, or if it is disabled, then you would not be able to connect to the Wi-Fi. So all you have to do is you have to go to Windows search and type ncpa.cpl. So it is ncpa.cpl, and hit enter. So once you hit enter, you see different options on the screen. You have to look for the Wi-Fi network adapter. So right now on my computer, it is currently enabled. So what you have to do is, if it is disabled on your computer, just right click on it and click enable. Right now my computer, it's already enabled, that's why I'm getting disable option here. On your computer, if you are seeing enable option, just click on enable option, and once you enable this, you would be you should be able to connect to the internet without any issues. So once you enable that, just come back to the wireless network connection and see whether you can see the Wi-Fi networks or not. So if you see the Wi-Fi networks, then connect to the Wi-Fi network, type the password if it is asking for, and you would be able to connect to the internet without any issues. So this is the second solution for this problem. So it is just enabling the wireless network connection. So now let's go to the third solution to fix this problem. It is actually turning on the Wlan service on your Windows computer. So what you have to do is you have to go to the Windows search and type services.msc. So it is services.msc, and you would be seeing this on the screen. Just click on it, and if you scroll it down, set the startup. Yeah, if you scroll it down, you see different services here, and you would be seeing a service called Wlan auto config. Yeah, it is over here. If you see the service Wlan auto config, it says the Wlan SVC service provides the logic required to configure, discover, connect, and disconnect from a wireless local area network as defined by IEEE 802.11 standards. So this is the service which is responsible uh, for the Wi-Fi functionality on your computer. So please make sure this is in running state. So if it is in stopped state, you have to select this service, right click on it, and for me it is asking me to stop because it's already started. For you, if it is in stopped state, then you have to click on start, and it will be started in a few seconds. So once it says that the service is in running state, just right click on it and please click properties. And what you have to do is you have to set the startup type to automatic. It should not be disabled, it should not be manual, it should be automatic. Please set the startup type to automatic and click apply and click OK. Okay, so this is the third solution to fix the problem. You have to just go to services and start this service, and please change the startup type to automatic. And you can also do one thing. You can click on recovery, and if you see the first option, it says first failure, please select it as restart the service. Instead of take no action, please select restart the service, and the second failure, please select restart the service. So what it means is, when you restart the computer, if the service goes down, if the service is down, it will we are telling Windows to automatically restart the service. So when you restart the computer, it will automatically restart the service. So please select first failure to restart the service and the second failure to restart the service, and click apply and just click OK. So this is the third solution to fix this problem. Now let's go back to the PowerPoint presentation. Yeah, and let's go to the next solution, which is we have to go to the device manager and check the status of the network adapters, whether it is working normally or not. So what you have to do is, please go to Windows search and type device manager. You would be seeing device manager. Now please open device manager. Now you see this on the screen. Now you have to look for network adapters. So we have the wireless network adapter installed under network adapters option. So you have to just expand network adapters, and you would be seeing the wireless network adapter which is installed here. So just highlight it. On my computer, I'm using Realtek wireless LAN 802.11 N PCI-E NIC. Maybe on your computer you could be having an Intel wireless card or Qualcomm wireless card or Broadcom wireless card. So it could be any other wireless card. So please right click on your wireless card and see whether it is enabled or disabled. If it is disabled, then you would not be able to access Wi-Fi. So if it is disabled, then right click on it and you would be seeing enable here. Instead of seeing disable, you see enable. So click on enable, and once you enable it, then you should be able to connect to Wi-Fi without any issues. So after enabling it, check the Wi-Fi connection. If you see the wireless connections, try to connect to it, and if it works fine, then it is good. If it doesn't work, just restart the computer once and try to see if you can see the wireless networks. Okay, so this is the solution for this problem. And yeah, and you can also do this. You can just right click on it and uh, click on update driver. Okay, and you see two different options here. One is search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will search your computer and the internet for the latest driver software for your device unless you have disabled this feature in your device installation settings. So I understand that your computer is not able to access internet at the moment, but in order to update the drivers on this computer, you may need to connect a Ethernet cable from your Wi-Fi router to this laptop, which is not connecting to Wi-Fi, and you have to go to device manager and select this option search automatically for updated driver software. So you need to connect an Ethernet cable from your wireless router to this laptop which is not connecting to Wi-Fi, and go to device manager and select this option which is search automatically for updated driver software. So once you click on it, so it will try to find the latest drivers which are available. So on my computer, the best drivers for your device are already installed. So on my computer, the latest drivers are already installed, so it is giving me this message, so I can just close it. But on your computer, if it is downloading the latest drivers and if it is installing it, then it is really good. And after installing it, you can just restart the computer and you can check if the Wi-Fi is working or not. Okay, so I'll just minimize this. And also I would like to give some more information. Just right click on it, click properties, and check the status of this wireless network adapter. On my computer it says the device is working properly, but on your computer it might be throwing some error message. It might be giving some error codes, or it could be showing some exclamation marks or whatever. So if it is giving some error message, then you have to look for the solution according to that. So I'll just cancel this, and I'll go to the next solution. Okay, the next solution for this problem is you have to go to Windows Start and type ncpa.cpl, and right click on the wireless adapter, click properties, I'm sorry, it is device manager once again. So go to device manager, right click on the Wi-Fi network card or wireless adapter, click on properties, and please go to the power management option. And if you have this, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. If this option is checked on your computer, please uncheck it. Yeah, please uncheck this option and click OK. Okay, so all you have to do is right click on right click on your wireless network adapter, go to properties, and go to power management, and please uncheck this and click OK. And after doing that, what you have to do is you have to go to the power options, so I'm using Windows 10. Maybe if you are using Windows 7 or Windows 8, you have to go to the power options, you have to go to additional power settings, and when you go to the power options, you would be seeing this on your screen. So please click on change plan settings, and please click on change advanced power settings, and please click on wireless adapter settings, and expand power saving mode, and please make sure maximum performance is highlighted. If you click the drop down box here, you would be seeing low power saving, medium power saving, or maximum power saving, maximum performance. If you have low power saving or medium power saving, please change it to maximum performance and please click apply and click OK. Please don't forget to do this. So what you have to do is after after unchecking this and clicking OK, you have to come back to the power options, and I just wanted to show it again, sorry guys. You have to come back to this option and you have to make sure you change it to maximum performance here and click apply and click OK. After this, uh, please check whether you are able to connect to the Wi-Fi network or not. If you're not able to connect to Wi-Fi, just try restarting the computer once and see if you can see the Wi-Fi connections. Okay, so this is the other solution to fix the problem. And then yeah, I just want to you have the I have mentioned the steps here, so you have all the instructions to follow from here. So let's go to the next solution. Yeah, so this is a solution number 6 for this problem. So what you have to do is you have to go to Windows search and type CMD. You see this black color window which is called command prompt. Just right click on it, click on run as administrator, click yes, and all you have to do is you have to run these commands one after the other. So the first command is net sh winsock reset. Okay, so you have to run this command net sh winsock reset and hit enter. So it is asking me to restart the computer. If it asks to restart the computer, just hold on for a minute and run the next command, which is net shint ip reset. So it is netsh int, I'm sorry, it is netsh space int space ip space reset. Okay, hit enter. Okay, just you will be seeing this information on the screen, so just ignore that and just scroll it down, and you have to run the other commands. ipconfig space / release, hit enter, and type ipconfig / renew, hit enter, and yeah, and what you have to do is you have to type ipconfig / flush DNS. It's ipconfig space / flush DNS, hit enter. So it says successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. So this is one of the solutions to fix the problem. So first I'll just mention it once again. So you have to go to Windows search, open command prompt, and right click, run as administrator, and you have to run these commands one after the other. Okay, and once it is done, please restart the computer and check if it helps to fix the problem. Okay, now let's go to the next solution. The next solution is to roll back the network adapter driver. So if you were connected before and recently installed a network adapter driver or installed an update to Windows that might have included an updated driver, rolling back your driver to a previous version might help. So what you have to do is you have to go to the device manager. So go to search and type for and look for device manager. Click on device manager. So I have my device manager open. Expand network adapters, and you see Realtek wireless LAN, which is the wireless adapter installed on my computer. On your computer, you may have Intel or Broadcom or any other wireless adapter. Just right click on it, go to properties, and click on driver. And if you see rollback driver here, for me it is currently grayed out, but if you see rollback driver, and if you could click the option, click this option, please click it, because if any latest software had created some problem on your computer, if you click this rollback driver, and it would, what it does is it will roll back to the previously installed driver, and after it installs the previous driver, you can just restart the computer and you can see if you are connected to Wi-Fi or not. So this is one of the solutions to fix the problem. So I'll just mention it once again. Just go to Network Adaptors and the Device Manager, go to Properties and click on Driver tab and click on a Rollback Driver. Then just follow the steps. If the button is unavailable, then it means that there is no driver to roll back to. So after rolling back to the previous version of the driver, select the Start button and just restart the computer if you're asked to restart, and check if it helps to fix the problem. Okay, so this is the solution number 7 to fix this problem, and we'll go to the next solution, which is turning off firewalls. So if you have any software firewalls installed on your computer, like AVG antivirus or McAfee antivirus or Symantec antivirus or Kaspersky or any other software antivirus installed on your computer, please try to disable it for a few minutes and see if it helps to fix the problem. So so all you have to do is you have to go and look for your software antivirus. So yeah, this is I'm using AVG antivirus. So yeah, if you are using any other antivirus, you have to look for the option where you can temporarily disable the antivirus for a few minutes to to test the connection. So after disabling it, please see if you can connect to Wi-Fi. If it helps to fix the problem, then antivirus is the culprit on your computer for this issue. So sometimes firewall software might prevent you from getting connected. You can see if the connection issue is caused by a firewall by turning it off temporarily and then trying to visit a website you trust. The steps to turn off a firewall depend upon the firewall software you're using. Check the documentation for your firewall software to learn how to turn it off. Make sure you turn it back on as soon as you can. So after testing it, if the Wi-Fi is connected, then it is well and good. If it is still not connected, then please turn it back on so that your computer is good. So not having a firewall turned on makes your PC vulnerable to hackers, worms, or viruses. If you have trouble turning off your firewall, do the following to turn off all firewall software that's running on your PC. Again, make sure you turn your firewall back as soon as you can. So please turn off the firewall for a few minutes and test the Wi-Fi connection. If it doesn't work, then just turn it back on. Okay? Yeah. So let's go to the next solution, which is solution number 9. Uninstall the network adapter driver and restart. So all you have to do is please go to device manager once again. Yeah, device manager is already open. Uh, so you have to go to the network adapters option again and choose your wireless network adapter. Just right click on it and select uninstall and click on it, and it will take a few minutes to uninstall the software. Once it is uninstalled, what you have to do is you have to restart the computer immediately. So after right clicking on your wireless network adapter, please uninstall it, and once it is uninstalled, restart the device, restart the laptop or your computer, and after restarting it, the laptop will automatically install the software again. So there will not be any issues. The computer will automatically install the software again. And once the software is installed, just come back to device manager once again and see whether it is installed or not. Come back to network adapters and see if you can see Realtek wireless LAN 802.11n or not. So you can also just go to action. Click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. You can just refresh it by clicking on action and click on scan for hardware changes. So yeah, it should be Realtek wireless LAN 802.11n is on my computer. On your computer you may have some other Wi-Fi card, so it will be showing up immediately after restarting the computer. So once it is installed, just go back and see if you can connect to Wi-Fi or not. If you are able to connect to Wi-Fi, then it is well and good. If you're still getting the error, if you still see the error not connected, no connections are available, then we may need to go to the next solution. All right, so I have provided all the steps here. So what you have to do is you have to uninstall the network adapter driver and restart the computer. So just try to uninstall the network adapter driver and then restart your computer and have Windows automatically install the latest driver. Consider this approach if your network connection stopped working properly after a recent. So not connected, no connections are available. The next solution is to perform the network reset. So using network reset should be the last step you try. Consider using it if the steps above didn't help to get you connected. So this can help solve connection problems you might have after upgrading from a previous version of Windows to Windows 10, as well as fix problems where you can connect to the internet but not to shared network drives. It removes any network adapters you have installed and the settings for them. After your PC restarts, any network adapters are reinstalled and the settings for them are set to defaults. So all you have to do is you have to go to settings. Once you go to settings, and you have to click on network and internet, and please scroll it down, and you see this option here which is network reset. Yeah, so you have to click this button which is reset now. So after clicking on reset now, you have to restart the computer, and after restarting the computer, it will after restarting the computer, please check whether you are able to connect to the Wi-Fi network or not. All right, so in order to perform network reset, your PC must be running either Windows 10 version 1607 or the latest or the later version. So this is the 10th solution to fix the problem. So after performing network reset, please restart the computer and see if it helps to fix the problem. If it still doesn't help to fix the problem, then please go to the next solution, which is which is to verify whether the wireless button is enabled in BIOS or not. So basically, every computer has BIOS, and it's a place where we can configure few settings. So we have to make sure whether the wireless option is enabled or not in the BIOS. So I have some pictures of BIOS screen. So you have to follow the instructions to turn on wireless in BIOS. So this is on IDEA and Lenovo laptops. So what you have to do is when the computer is turning on, you have to press the key on Lenovo on my computer on Lenovo computer it is F9. So when I turn on my computer, I have to just keep tapping F9 key to go to BIOS. So on your computer, I'm not sure which key will take you to the BIOS screen. So you can just try to find out this information from a different computer which is connected to the internet. You can just Google it and check how to go to BIOS on your laptop. Just type your laptop model number and check how to go to BIOS. So your laptop may need, I mean, your laptop may require a F9 key or F10 key to be tapped while it is turning on. So yeah, so please check on internet on a different computer and follow the instructions. So it looks like this once you go to the BIOS screen. Once you go to the BIOS screen, you see this here, it says WLAN device. It is currently enabled here. So if it is disabled on your computer in BIOS, then you have to change it to enabled, and after enabling it, please save the setting and exit from BIOS. Please don't make any other changes in BIOS. It is it is like the heart of the operating system, I should say. So please do not make any other changes other than WLAN device settings. So if it is already enabled, then just exit. If it is disabled, please enable it and save the settings and exit from the BIOS. All right. Yeah, so this is how it looks. This is how the BIOS screen looks. Yeah, so this is the other solution to fix the problem. So yeah, it depends upon your laptop. On my laptop it is uh, F9, I guess. Maybe on my laptop it is F9, but on many laptops it is F10 or some other key. So please check this on internet and follow the instructions accordingly. And if this solution doesn't help to fix the problem, please go to the next solution, which is installing Windows updates on your computer. So I understand that your computer is not able to connect to Wi-Fi now, but still what we have to do is we have to uh, connect a Ethernet cable from the modem or the router to this laptop and just try installing the latest Windows updates. So I have provided the instructions here. So basically Windows 10 periodically checks for updates, so you don't have to, when an update is available, it is automatically downloaded and installed, keeping your device up to date with the latest features. So to check for updates, please go to the start button, click on the start button and go to settings, click on update and security and look for the Windows update and check for the updates. So if Windows update says your device is up to date, then you have all the updates that are currently available. So I'll just show it on my computer. Windows update settings. If you click on Windows update here, so there are various options. If you click on Windows update, so on my screen it says your device is up to date, last checked today 111. So my computer is up to date. If your computer is out of date, and if it has latest if it requires to download and install Windows updates, then please go ahead and go ahead and download and install the Windows updates. And after installing Windows updates, please restart the computer and see if this helps to fix the problem. try to connect to the Wi-Fi and see if it helps to fix a problem. If this solution doesn't help to fix a problem, please see the next solution, which is installing drivers manually from the manufacturer website. So basically, every computer, every laptop manufacturer has their drivers, the latest drivers, updated on the website. So if your laptop wireless drivers are out of date, then it is really good to go onto your manufacturer's website and look for the latest wireless drivers. So I'll tell you how it needs to be done. So all you have to do is you have to find out the model number of your computer, and you have to know the operating system, like whether it is Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 10. So you have to find out the model number of your computer. You have to find out the operating system, and you should also know whether you're running 32-bit or 64-bit, because you need to provide these details on your manufacturer's website before you download the drivers. So yeah, please visit the laptop manufacturer website and please look for the wireless drivers and download and install them on the laptop. I've seen on few computers on few computers which are facing this problem. When I went to laptop manufacturer's website and downloaded the wireless drivers and installed it, it had fixed the problem. So please follow these instructions to install the drivers. And once the drivers are installed, please restart the computer. And once the computer is restarted, please try to connect to the Wi-Fi, and yeah, hopefully it should work. And you should also perform this solution when you don't see anything under network adapters. Just for an example, if under network adapters, I can see my Realtek wireless LAN wireless card. But on your computer under network adapters, if you don't see this, then it clearly indicates that the wireless drivers are not installed, or it could be corrupted on your computer. So it is really good to go to your manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers and install it. And once you install it, you will be seeing this under network adapters, and you will also see the Wi-Fi networks, and you can connect to the Wi-Fi. All right, so this is the solution number 13 to fix the problem. And yeah, if this solution also didn't help to fix the problem, then you can go to the next solution. You can try this solution, which is performing system restore if your computer has restore point created. So this, I should say, this is one of the best solutions to fix a problem if you have a system restore point created on your computer. So I will tell you how to find out whether a system restore point is created or not. Please go to Windows search and type restore, and you see create a restore point. Just click on it, and once you click on it, you see this window coming up on the screen. You see computer name, hardware, advanced, system protection, remote. So under, click on system protection, and if you have already created, if your computer has already created a restore point, or if you have already set a restore point, then you can click on system restore here and click next. Yes, on my computer, on my computer I have two restore points. One is on both of them are created on July 12th. So all I have to do is I have to select the latest restore point. Always select the latest restore point and click next. And if I click finish, then my computer will go back to the state when it was working absolutely fine. So this computer will go back to the state when it was working fine on July 12th. Okay, so I'm not going to do it now. On your computer, if you have a system restore point created, please select the latest restore point, and yeah, click next and click finish. And this process will take 5 to 10 minutes, and once the system restore process is completed, all you have to do is you need to restart the computer. And once the computer is restarted, then you have to go to the Wi-Fi connections, and you have to see whether you can connect to the Wi-Fi or not. Please go to the wireless networks and see whether you are able to connect to Wi-Fi or not. You should, if you are able to connect to Wi-Fi, then you will not see not connected, no connections are available. All right, so this is the solution number 14 to fix the problem. If this solution also didn't help to fix the problem, then you can move to the next solution, which is to check if the software utility installed on your computer is creating the problem. So basically, on few computers like Dell or HP, they have their own software utility. Though you have installed your Wi-Fi, though you have turned on the Wi-Fi switch on your laptop, though the service, though the WLAN service is running on your computer, if uh, if the Wi-Fi option is disabled in this software utility, then your computer will not be able to see the Wi-Fi networks. So if see, this is, I'm just showing an example to you. This is Dell wireless WLAN card utility. So check on your computer if you have software which was provided by your laptop manufacturer. Maybe you are using Dell or HP or whatever. If you have any software which was provided by your manufacturer, and if it is disabled, if the Wi-Fi is disabled right now, here it shows it is enabled, but if it is disabled on this software, then you will not be able to see the Wi-Fi networks, and you will be getting this error, not connected, no connections are available. So please make sure, if you have this WLAN card software installed in your computer, please make sure the Wi-Fi is turned on. So this is the solution number 15 to fix this problem, guys. If still this solution didn't help to fix the problem, then please go to the next solution, which is the last solution, I should say. It is reinstalling the operating system. So I know this is this this is not the this may not be the recommended troubleshooting step to fix a problem, but only on few computers I have noticed that this could be a culprit. Maybe Microsoft Windows operating system is creating some issues. So it is good to reinstall the operating system only after backing up all the data from your computer. So please make sure you take all the backup of the data and try reinstalling the operating system. This might fix the problem. Sometimes Windows OS could be the culprit, and it is a very rare issue. It is a very rare issue. So I am leaving it up to you. If you want to reinstall the operating system, you can just give it a shot. So this is solution number 16 to fix the problem. If this solution doesn't help to fix the problem, then move to the solution number 17, which is changing the faulty wireless network adapter. Maybe the hardware wireless network adapter on your computer could be faulty, or there is some loose connection or whatever. So it's a time to call the laptop manufacturer. Maybe if the laptop is still under warranty, they would provide service for you. If the laptop is not under warranty, you can take it to the computer shop or some computer center, and they will provide assistance on this. All right, guys, so these are the troubleshooting steps I have provided in this video. If you think that there could be some other troubleshooting steps to fix this problem, maybe if you have come across some troubleshooting step, you can definitely let me know. You can drop a comment, or you can write an email to techguy.498@gmail.com. That could be really helpful. So if you're still facing the problem, if you're still facing the problem, you can drop an email to me. You can drop an email to techguy.498@gmail.com, or you can comment me under under my video, and I will try my level best to contact and help you on this. And if you think this video has really helped you, kindly like the video and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to share this video, you can also share this video. And I would really like to thank you guys for watching this video. Hope one of these solutions had helped you to fix the problem. Please let me know if you want to say anything about this video. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.